Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Carpathian Grey. This car is a 3 litre diesel, is next due for a service in April 2022 and has previously had 2 owners. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance, a tow bar, along with a powered tailgate. Plenty of space there in the back for all your personal items, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Carrying on round the car and going to the front, you do also have keyless entry. So if I tap there, you will see that the car is now locked, and I can just pull the handle to unlock the car as long as the key's in my pocket. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous 2-tone leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day, but you do also have a sunblind that can be pulled all the way across. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And you also have heated seats in the back, which ensures all passengers are happy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with a rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing a lot easier. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screens where valeter can only access your climate control, keeping personal information secure. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. That looks effective, especially in the dark. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all of which are handy when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely a luxury on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 18,887 miles, and you also have head-up display, and you can personalise this to your own preference, depending on the brightness, positioning, or the content that you want to see in front of you. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport in Carpathian Grey. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.